Hey guys, Robert Webb here with the Destination NJ Home Selling Team. Today we're bringing you a market update for Hillsborough. We're going to be taking a look at the data from February 2021 and comparing it with February 2020. We are going to be rolling out a quarterly market update next month, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Now, let's jump into the data. Taking a look at the overall market for Hillsborough in February, we saw 34 new homes hit the market. This is actually a 35% decrease year over year from 52 last year in 2020, and the homes ranged anywhere from $145,000 all the way up to just under that mansion tax of $999,000. The average list price for these homes was $450,000. Compare that with $499,000 last year, there's actually a 10% decrease in the list price. But let's contrast with what is actually selling. When we take a look at the actual closed listings from February 2021, we see the average sales price of $451,000. That's a 33% increase year over year from $339,000 last year in 2020. And the real data point to look at is days on market. We saw an average days on market this year of 32 days, just over a month to get your house listed and get it sold. Compare that with 52 days on market last year. It's a 38% decrease in how fast listings are selling. Now, let's break it down between single family homes and townhomes and condos. Of the 34 homes we saw list, 23 of them were single families with an average list price of $537,000. That's down 13% from last year. But holding true to our overall market data, we did see a 43% increase in the sales price for the homes that actually closed in February at $628,000 on average. And the average days on market was just below the total data at 28 days. That's a 65% decrease from last year. That was 79 days in 2020. Now, let's switch it up and take a look at townhouses and condos. In February, we saw 11 new condos and townhomes hit the market with an average list price of $241,000. That's a 12% decrease from last year. But in looking at the actual closed numbers of homes that sold and closed during February, we saw a 3% increase to an average of $245,000. Now, compare with the majority of the area that's selling very quick, including the single family market, townhomes and condos actually increased their days on market from 23 last year to 34 days on market this year. And while it's still very quick, it is still a 48% increase in days on market. Before we move on to our favorite home that listed in February, I just want to make sure that if you love this content, subscribe and like this video. We're going to continue to bring you content, and I'd love for you to join us on that journey. Now, let's take a look at 42 Fox Chase Run, listed for $535,000. This 5-bed, 2.5 bath bi-level is sure to get plenty of attention. It has a beautiful curb appeal with its brick and vinyl front, and then these 4 pillars that just add a ton of drama to the house. The owners opened up the wall in the kitchen and they added plenty of countertop space and created that open concept that people really love. The bedrooms are spacious and the bathrooms are updated, but their outdoor fire pit is sure to make us jealous since we're still months away from enjoying it this upcoming summer. Also, I want to let you know that we are going to be launching a seller course. It's going to have a ton of free content. It's going to take you from getting your home ready to getting it sold to what happens on market so that you can be educated when the time comes to sell your house. If you want to be one of the first people to see this course, click the link down below in the description and pre-register, and you're going to get it before anybody else. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.